is up, guys? This is me, Brandon, and this is my video of my CRV. Right now it will eventually be an H2B CRV, but right now it's not. But actually I just got done installing a few mods to it. Technically actually two to it. One of them was factory and the other one's not, but it'll eventually be well, basically I'll show you what I did. I went and put a whole new roof rack, and I got the basket to go with it. This is not the original Honda one that came on the car, because this one didn't have a roof rack on it. So I actually installed this one off of another one that I got at Pick and Pull, and I found this one on a kid online that had one. I found the basket for $40 offline. I ended up having $55 in the whole setup, and I love the way it looks. This is going to eventually be a H2B 5-speed all-wheel drive CRV. Right now it's just basically, the stock automatic B20, but eventually it'll be really nice. But I just wanted to share my new basket and roof rack that I got today. I figure you all would like it. But thank you for supporting my channel. G Swaps is the name of my channel, I guess. And then on top of that, thank you guys for all your supports. Like my channel and subscribe. I'm doing this stuff for you guys, so just so that way you guys can see it. I'm sure it's been kind of a hobby that I do on the weekends, and I want to get into action filming with my Integra. Once I get it out at the drag strip, I'm going to make a lot more videos of it running, and eventually I'm going to turbo it so that way it can be I want to see if I can hit 700 horsepower, but I don't know. We'll see what happens. It'd be fun on the Integra, but the CRV, once I get it done, it'll just be H2B all-wheel drive. But as for that, I don't know. Have a good day. Have a good day, guys. Like and subscribe. Thank you, and thank you.